So, how many times have you been here in the Philippines?
Many times.
Many times.
Yeah.
Have you found a lot of beautiful Filipinas?
The beautiful Filipinas.
No, the beautiful Filipinos.
Yeah. Many actually. I like.
Many actually.
Yeah.
Have you fallen in love with the Filipina?
Not yet.
Not yet. What can you say about the Filipina beauty?
Oof, they're amazing. Number 1 in the world.
Wow.
I agree.
Number one in the world. Filipinas, number one.
How about Jackie Gonzaga?
The original or the pirated?
The pirated. The pirated. There.
The original is special with golds
There,
though.
there, there,
The
there.
pirated.
Also number 1 in the world.
There, yeah.
Hi Jackie, how are you? Are you single?
Jackie, are you single daw?
What?
Oh, yung original gusto sumagot.
Yung original pala gusto ko.
How about you, are you single also?
Yeah, I'm single.
Oh, Jackie. Jackie, nakipag-date kayo na ba sa basketball player?
Hindi.
Sa water boy. Sila pa ba? Hindi ka ba nakikipag-date sa basketball player?
Hindi.
Are basketball players good lovers?
Yeah, I can be your first basketball player if you want.
What about me?
Oo nga naman. Siya yung pinapakilala eh.
Ewan ko sa damit, mag-magic ka nga muna. Ito parang yung nilalagay sa kahon ng magicero, tapos nagiging aso. Yung ganyan. Nagiging tuta, pagkatapos may hawak ng mga bulaklak. Yung ganyan. How do you find Jackie? Did you find her?
Not yet.
But she's
Very beautiful.
very beautiful. Wow. Who? The original or the pirated?
Both.
Excuse me.
Both.
Good answer.
Good answer.
But if you will choose just one, who would you date? The original or the
The
pirate?
original, of course.
Not nice.
The original. Thank you very much, ha?
You're welcome.
Okay.